In today's work landscape, freelancing stands as a transformative departure from tradition, offering a pathway to financial independence. It enables individuals to convert their unique skills into tangible earnings by catering to specific client needs, whether in narratives, design, tech, or more. The art lies in crafting persuasive pitches, upholding a professional reputation, and consistently delivering excellence. Embracing freelancing is embracing autonomy and self-reliance, a modern way to realize financial independence. This is the essence of freelancing, unlocking the gig economy. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you will stick to the end. 1. Freelancing, unlocking the gig economy. The gig economy has revolutionized how work is conceptualized and performed. Freelancing is a prime example of this paradigm shift. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have emerged as digital marketplaces connecting skilled individuals with clients seeking specific services. Whether you're a wordsmith, graphic designer, web developer, or social media aficionado, these platforms facilitate the monetization of your expertise. Crafting compelling proposals, building a strong portfolio, and delivering exceptional work is pivotal to attracting clients and establishing a positive reputation in the freelancing community. 2. E-commerce. Building your virtual storefront e-commerce has redefined retail, enabling individuals to become entrepreneurs without the constraints of physical storefronts. Establishing an online store through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon empowers you to market and sell a diverse array of products. From handmade crafts to vintage items and dropshipping ventures, e-commerce accommodates a wide spectrum of entrepreneurial visions. Crafting a visually appealing store, optimizing product listings, and implementing effective marketing strategies are essential steps in navigating the e-commerce landscape. 3. Blogging, vlogging, sharing your passion with the world. If you possess an unwavering passion for a particular subject, blogging or vlogging offers an avenue to both express yourself and generate income. Platforms like WordPress and YouTube enable you to create and disseminate content to a global audience. As your viewership or readership grows, monetization options such as advertisements, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing become viable. Consistency, authenticity, and a deep understanding of your target audience are integral to cultivating a loyal following and generating revenue. 4. Tutoring or teaching, imparting knowledge in the digital realm. The digital age has democratized education, allowing experts in various fields to share their knowledge with a global audience. Online tutoring and teaching have gained traction through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and even personalized one-on-one sessions. Whether you're a math whiz, language expert, or coding guru, offering educational services can translate into a lucrative venture. Creating engaging course content, leveraging multimedia elements, and fostering interactive learning experiences are pivotal in delivering value to your students. 5. Rideshare or delivery driving, navigating the transportation sector. The advent of ride-sharing and food delivery apps has created novel earning opportunities for vehicle owners. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Uber Eats enable individuals to monetize their driving skills by offering transportation services or delivering meals. This flexible income stream is particularly appealing to those seeking part-time or supplementary work. Adhering to safety protocols, optimizing routes, and providing excellent customer service are key to success in this sector. 6. Pet sitting, dog walking, catering to animal enthusiasts. For pet lovers, offering pet sitting or dog walking services presents a rewarding income stream. Pet owners are often willing to pay for reliable and trustworthy caregivers to tend to their furry companions. Establishing a strong reputation, ensuring the safety and well-being of the animals in your care, and cultivating lasting relationships with clients are crucial factors in building a successful pet-centric business. 7. Photography, capturing moments and earnings. Photography is an art form that has seamlessly integrated with the digital landscape. If you possess a keen eye for aesthetics and a passion for capturing moments, offering photography services can be a lucrative endeavor. Specializing in events such as weddings, parties, or portrait sessions allows you to showcase your talent while generating income. Building an impressive portfolio, leveraging social media for exposure, and delivering high-quality imagery are pivotal in attracting clientele and solidifying your position in the photography industry. 8. Renting out your space, monetizing your property. The sharing economy has extended to the real estate sector, enabling property owners to monetize their space through platforms like Airbnb. If you have a spare room, an empty apartment, or a vacation property, listing it for short-term rentals can generate significant income, particularly in popular tourist destinations. Creating inviting listings, providing exceptional hospitality, and ensuring a seamless guest experience are central to maximizing your earnings in the hospitality sector. 9. Consulting, leveraging expertise for business success. Individuals with specialized knowledge and experience can capitalize on the consulting industry. Businesses often seek external expertise to enhance their operations, and by offering consulting services, you can provide valuable insights while generating income. Building a strong personal brand, cultivating a network of contacts, and demonstrating your ability to solve complex challenges are essential elements in establishing yourself as a reputable consultant. 10. Remote work, navigating the virtual workspace. The concept of traditional office spaces has evolved with the rise of remote work opportunities. Many companies offer remote or part-time positions in fields like customer service, data entry, virtual assistants, and more. These roles provide individuals with the flexibility to work from the comfort of their homes while contributing to various industries. Effective time management, communication skills, and a reliable internet connection are fundamental to excelling in the remote work environment. In the ever-evolving landscape of financial independence, the paths to success are as diverse as the aspirations that guide us. From leveraging specialized skills to embracing innovative platforms, each journey is a testament to the power of adaptation and determination. As we navigate this dynamic realm, remember that the pursuit of financial autonomy is a personal odyssey where creativity and tenacity converge to shape a future that knows no bounds. If you're excited to see more amazing content like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload on my channel.